There's one thing about the Hisense 75U6 Pro that nobody expects until they try it: how a TV can completely transform your viewing experience. You're sitting on the couch, surrounded by family and friends, all gathered around the screen to watch the big game. Suddenly, a player makes a stunning shot from way downtown, and you feel like you're right there with them. That's where the Hisense 75U6 Pro shines, with its breathtaking contrast and vivid, lifelike color that puts every scene in a new light. Whether it's a sunny landscape or a candlelit drama, the picture leaps off the screen. Mini LED backlighting uses hundreds of precise light zones to enhance contrast across the screen. Paired with Hi-QLED technology, every color comes through with stunning depth and accuracy. But what really sets this TV apart is its ability to deliver fast, smooth motion with a native 144 Hz refresh rate. You're watching a live game, and the action on the field is lightning fast. You can see every detail, every movement, without any blur or lag. The quick response helps you stay in control during competitive gaming, while making rapid camera shots in shows and movies easier to follow. And then there's the sound. With its built-in subwoofer, you'll feel like you're a part of the action, from the rumble of an explosion to the thump of your favorite song. The anti-reflection and glare-free display keeps your view clean and distraction-free, so you stay focused on what matters. But don't just take my word for it. Once people try this, they stop reaching for their old TVs. They know that with the Hisense 75U6 Pro, every scene looks exactly the way it should, without any compromise on color, contrast, or sound quality. The TV thinks so you don't have to, automatically adjusting the picture for whatever you're watching, so everything looks consistently better. And let's not forget about the visuals themselves. With Hi-View AI engine, every movie and show looks more lifelike than ever before. And with IMAX enhanced certification, you get a true cinema experience right in your living room. It's like stepping into a theater from home. In short, this TV fixes one of the biggest pain points of watching on a screen: not being able to fully immerse yourself in what you're seeing. You'll feel like you're part of the action, every time. So why wait? Check out the Hisense 75U6 Pro now and experience it for yourself.